G'day everybody, it's Sasha from Supertech Electronics on the Gold Coast, and today we're going to show you how to remove a sound system from a Honda Accord Euro. Now the tools you'll need is a 8mm socket, one Phillips head screwdriver and an extension. It might be handy at this stage. And one last tool, you will need a plastic spudger as well. Okay, let's get started. First section we're going to remove is this section here. It's just held in with clips. So get a spudger under the end of it and unclip it, and that can just be held aside for the time being. There is a screw in there. We've removed ours previously to make this a little easier. And the next section we're going to remove is this section here around the gear stick, and that will be made easier by putting the key on and moving the gear stick down. So we can do this just by pulling it up. Like so. Okay, now that will be held in by two electrical connections. A blue one and a white one. We've unplugged ours, but they're very easily just removed by pressing the middle pin and pulling it away from the housing. And we'll put that aside. Alrighty, that will expose 1, 2 and 3 screws. You'll need to remove the screws. Once you do, that whole plastic piece will come out. And as I say, there is one screw on the other side there, and this part is only held in by one screw, and it will come out as well. I'll just leave that aside for the time being. Now we're going to remove this little section here. It's quite tricky. If you bend this back a smidge, it will pop out, and that will expose one screw all the way down there. So remove that screw, and then this whole section will come out. Like so. And it is held in with some electrical connections as well. Very easy to remove. Press the center pin, pull that out. Same with that one. That one just twists, and then we press that, and hey presto, out it comes. Okay, so now we're going to remove the air conditioner, which is held in by 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Once you remove those, this whole part will come out, like so. And once again, it's held in by 2 electrical connections. Take them out, leave them lying there. That can just go to the side for the second. Now the next thing is to remove this guy here, and you're going to need a very long extension lead to the 8mm on the end to be able to reach it. So we're using that today, and there's two 10mm right under here. Once you remove those, they live there and there, this whole part will come out, and it's going to expose 2 more 8mm bolts, one there and one there. Once you've removed those, the radio is ready to come out. Just bear in mind though, these are security coded, so before you go removing any electrical sockets on the back of it, make sure you've got your security code. It will ask you for that once you put it back in. Okay, now we should be able to just pull this, and out it comes. And it will be connected with electrical sockets. This one's quite easy. Fold that up like that, press that one there, press that one in the middle, and then we're going to turn it upside down and disconnect the hazard light switch. Okay, and that radio is ready to send off to Supertech Electronics on the Gold Coast for repair.